Hello class third, welcome to the new session. This is Atul sir and I am your moral science teacher. Before proceeding, let me tell you what is moral science. So moral science is a subject which contains lot of good stories, and these stories tell us in what manner we should behave. These stories tell us what is right or wrong for us. So I am going to explain you the first chapter, which is also a very good story. This is your first lesson. He knows best. Over here, he refers to God, means God knows best. Let me start the story. Once upon a time, two young men, Raj and Ravi, planted olive trees in their backyard. What is backyard? Backyard is the place at the back of the house where we can plant trees. So, they thought years later they could have the olives to eat and have a good supply of olive oil. That is why they have planted olive trees. Okay, let's talk about Raj. Raj was a very curious man. After planting the olive tree, he prayed to God, "Oh Lord, it needs rain so that its tender roots may drink and swell." Next moment, what happened? God soon sent the gentle shower and Raj's first wish fulfilled. Some days later, Raj again prayed and he said, "Lord, my tree needs warm weather. Please send sunshine." What happened? Next moment, God sent the shining sun to spread sunshine. In this manner, God fulfilled again the wish of Raj. After facing the warm weather, Raj again demanded cold weather for his olive tree from God, and God sent cold weather. In this manner, God again fulfilled the wish of Raj. After receiving these three weather conditions so quickly, what happened to the Raj's olive tree? It became dry and died. Then what happened? Raj immediately went to Ravi's house to see how his tree was growing. When Raj reached Ravi's house, he saw his olive tree was growing well. Then he said to Ravi, he demanded rain, sun, cold weather from God. Even his olive tree died. He asked from Ravi, "What made your tree grew so well?" Then what happened? Ravi smiled and said, he left the care of his olive tree on God because God created it. He knows better than me what it needs. So I make no conditions but simply pray. Lord, send what it needs: storm or sunshine, wind, rain or frost, as you know what is best. After listening to these words of Ravi, Raj finally realized his mistake. Since then, he trusted God and prayed unconditionally. Students, I have told you a very good story. Now let me tell you what is the moral of the story. God has created us. He loves us all the time. God knows what is best for us. We should trust God in all situations. In our prayers, we should show our faith in Him. So, students, see, God created each one of us. We should face the easy and difficult times, joy and sorrows with complete trust in Him. God knows what is best for us. So, if we trust Him, He will never fail us. Okay students, these are the question answers. Due to this lockdown, if you don't have the copies with you, then note down these question answers in your previous or last year moral science copy. Okay, now the first question is, why did Raj ask God to send the gentle showers? Answer: Raj asked God to send the gentle shower so that his olive tree tender roots might drink and swell. Question 2 is, when Raj asked for warmth, what did God send? Answer for this: when Raj asked for warmth, God sent the shining sun. Question 3, why do you think Raj's olive tree withered? Withered means become dry. Answer for this: Raj's olive tree withered because he demanded the care of it from God conditionally. Question 4, why did Ravi's olive tree grow so well? Answer for this: Ravi's olive tree grew so well because he left its care on God. Last question, that is question 5, how should we face the easy and difficult times in life? Answer for this: we should face the easy and difficult times in life with complete trust in God. So students, this is all about the chapter. Students and parents, please take this online studies very seriously, because when school will reopen, I will check this work. Parents, you are requested to make your child to write these question answers neatly and correctly. Finally, I would like to say, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.